Good morning. My routine is going to be completely different from y'all's. So when I wake up and yawn. Yes, yawn. Yawn at the crack of dawn. And I have to stretch my bones. You know, our bones be growing. I said the routine was going to be different. So we're going to tidy up. This is what I do. I tidy up. I cannot see mess when I wake up. It ruins my day. It ruins my energy. Yes, energy is very important. And if you don't clean up, your energy will be sucked up out of you. You need a tidy area to look at before you wake up. Now I'm going to take a shower. Yes, take a shower. I'm normal. I'm going to take a shower, get all of the stress, all of the dirt off of me. Yes, stress. We've been through so much 2024, and it's time to just be able to do our self-care. Can we just do that 2024 self-care? I was so fresh after a shower, and I went to use my Palmer's Oil Neutrogena lotion. Then I'm going to use my Ola High Skin Under Eye Cream just to get rid of those dark circles, especially with this season. I definitely been putting in work. Your girl been putting in work. So I had to moisturize my skin in different areas. Like my skin usually gets dry around the perimeters of my face. So I just had to rub that in those areas that get super dry. I don't know what it is, but with winter time, my skin has been dry, baby, dry. Wouldn't believe I had to use an oil and a lotion just to moisturize my skin. It's been dry. Don't come for me in the contents. I was feeling good. Okay, I was feeling good. You couldn't tell me Nathan with my shorts on. These shorts are definitely bone collectors. Definitely, it's like a clothing line. My brother clothing line. And then like my string. Don't come for me for my string. I was having a wardrobe malfunction, but I'm not going to the Grammy, so don't even worry about it. Okay. This feels so out of place. Y'all gonna come for me in the comments. But yes, I made up my bed is the lastly step almost. And I got these brushes. I will never get them again. Never, ever. I got them from TikTok shop. I will never do that again. Ever. I learned. Then, it was a little mess. You got little siblings. You gotta vacuum clean that stuff up, baby. You gotta clean that up. So I started to vacuum clean. I wasn't listening to music, baby. My phone died. You see this right here? We had to deep clean, baby. We had to get these stuff off of my vanity piece right there. Yes, my little vanity piece with my candle. We had to get it out of there. All this clutter had to go, baby. Everything. And that right there is my favorite perfume. I love the Ariana Grande perfume. But, baby, you had to get off the counter, baby. You had to go. This is my favorite spray that I love to use to clean my table off. It just smells so, so good. I don't know what it does. It just uplifts me. It just, makes me feel like Kirk Franklin. Like, I believe I can fly. Like, R. Kelly. Like, I had to clean oh my god, I had to clean the wall because it was dirty. Oh my god, it had lipstick stains on it. Then the life was hard, but we got through it. Stick around for more.